Okay, now I'm going to show you how I fit everything in when it's in the dry bags and can still zip up my rug. So my big dry bag, I put my folded windbreaker or rain jacket on the bottom, and then I put my pants, and I've got both pairs here, in next, and they go flat on top of the windbreaker. I mean on the rain jacket. Then I put the windbreaker in next to the pants. So I have the rain jacket like this, then I have pants, then I have windbreaker on top of that. Base layer, extra t-shirt with sports bra in the middle. And I can do this one of two ways. I can make the dry bag extra long, base layer, side by side, or I can stack it up and make it extra thick. I usually prefer to do it extra long, so it won't be as bulky. So I do base layer, extra t-shirt, and then I do socks side by side on top of those, like that. And now everything is pretty much the same layer. Squish my air out. And you've got those fancy bags, Shannon, so you probably won't even have to do that quite as much. All right, so now I've got that layer in there. My weight, I'm not doing the ruck dump. This is my extra flat. It's gonna go in my Velcro pocket. My water bladder, about 2/3 of the way full. Goes in my elastic pocket. Then my MREs, fat sides to the outside. Go in the bottom of my ruck like that. Then my dry bag, my big dry bag goes on top like that. My extra vapor bottle, or my vapor bottle and my extra bladder, I put in here. If the vapor bottle is full, then I fit it right alongside there. But right now it's empty, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Then in my little dry bag, I have my combat ready tape. Goes in. I've got my chafing ointment, I like my salty britches, my drip drop, and our blinky light, which could go on the outside of the ruck, but I don't want it to get lost or lose its battery during PT, so for now I keep it in the dry bag. I have sunblock, extra batteries, some optional duct tape, and also optional extra laces. Also gonna go in there on top of that combat ready package. This is my more optional stuff: neck gaiter, headband, and then required beanie. Gonna put it in there like that. My ruck wrap, which during a regular event I keep in my outside pocket, but I noticed it's getting kind of worn doing that, so I'm gonna start keeping it inside my dry bag. Close it up like that. And then depending on how I put this in there, it usually fits on top, and I didn't do a good job squishing out my air. But you get the idea there. Folds up. So, I definitely have to do a better job getting my air out. Look, the ruck squishing gets my air out for me. All right. Obviously, we're not doing this time hack. All right, so now, if I wanted to, I could put extra food in there if I wanted to. I got room for that. There's still gaps. This outside pocket, it's actually better if I do it before I zip everything up. This outside pocket is where I am keeping my blue straps. I have a feeling we're gonna be utilizing those like at any other event. So they go in the front zip. That's the only thing I keep in that front zip pocket. And then on my left side, I keep my left side pocket, I keep my headlamp. And on my right side pocket, I keep my gloves. And now, that's how I fit everything in my 20-liter rucker. It's full, but it's not over tight.